So today I'm going to be using the Awake Organics Scalp Scrub, and I'm going to be showing you how to use it as well. Awake Organics is a natural, sustainable and cruelty-free British brand that do a range of like hair, skin and body care products. So this scalp scrub is vegan and plastic free, which is amazing. Let's have a look, shall we? So this is the little pot that it comes in, and this smells so good, which is because it has actually got peppermint in it, and it's also got coconut oil and hibiscus flower. So this scrub preps the hair for optimal hair growth, which is great because I'm really trying to grow my hair, so this is going to be perfect. And this product is 100% natural and biodegradable. So this is what the product looks like. I love the smell of it. So this is a pre-shampoo treatment, so you put it in before you shampoo your hair. Its recommended use is like 1 to 2 times a week. So how do we use it? I'm actually going to be using this today, but I'm just going to tell you guys how I'm going to be using it. So literally I need to wet my hair and then like squeeze out all of the excess water, and then to scoop out about a tablespoon of this for my hair, and then like kind of like rub it between my hands and then disperse it into my roots at like the top and the sides as well, just everywhere that there's roots. And then I will massage it through and rinse it out. So without further ado, let's go and use this product. So my hair is now wet. If you want a bit of extra nourishment from this mask, once you rinse it out, you can just like towel dry your hair and let it absorb for like an hour, or you can leave it overnight. Or if you just want it like straight out, you've got stuff to do, you need to style your hair after, you can just like shampoo it all out and clean your hair. So let's get into using this. So my hair is wet and I've like squeezed out all the excess water. I'm going to grab a scoop of this just into my hand. I'm just going to like rub this between my hands so that it's more like a spreadable consistency, and I'm going to pop it on my fingertips and just start rubbing it into my roots, focusing on like the top and the sides. And once it's all spread in, so I've just spread it like along my roots and along the sides around here, and I'm literally just going to take my fingertips and just massage it into my scalp now. I'm just using circular motions. You can smell this the whole time that you're putting it in your hair as well, and it smells amazing. So the scrub is all massaged in now. I'm going to go and rinse it out. You just need to rinse your hair from root to tip, just using your fingertips to kind of like disperse the product down to the ends to wash it all out, and then you just need to shampoo your hair. If you have finer or more oily hair, I would recommend double cleansing your hair, so just shampooing it twice. So the scrub is now fully washed out of my hair, and I've also washed my hair. It just conditions, clarifies and stimulates your scalp to help your hair grow, and I'm really excited to use it to help my hair grow. This is my hair the next day. I plaited it last night, so it's very nice and wavy this morning, but my hair feels and looks great. I'm super excited to carry on using the scalp scrub. That is how you use the Awake Organics Scalp Scrub.